Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the PDF and your Mac ready. Now open Preview. First, locate the PDF in Finder or on the desktop. If Preview is already the default, double-click the file and it will launch. If not, Control-click the PDF, choose Open With, then select Preview from the list. Once done, the file opens in a clean reading window. Make sure the title bar shows the file name. This gets you into Preview immediately so you can move on to viewing and editing. Now that the PDF is open in Preview, focus on navigation and tools. Use the sidebar to switch between thumbnails, table of contents, or annotations so you can jump to the right spot quickly. Zoom using a two-finger pinch on the trackpad, the View menu, or Command plus and minus. This helps you read fine print. For a particular word or phrase, type into the search field and press Return to jump to occurrences. Once you locate the section you need, you can add highlights or select text for copying. Finish by saving or exporting any edits. Use File right arrow Save to overwrite, or File right arrow Export to create a new PDF with different options. If Preview fails to open the file, first try quitting Preview and reopening the PDF. Make sure the file isn't locked or extremely large. If that doesn't work, Control-click the file and force open with right arrow Preview again, or re-download the PDF in case it's corrupted. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.